Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I created a free resource that a lot of people have been asking for. You know, probably the number one question I get from people now who want to get started with Amazon, or maybe they want to grow and they want to be able to source more, is like, how do I get ungated, right? Like, what distributors do I go to? What suppliers do I go to? How do I submit my invoice? What if I want to go through a wholesale distributor? How do I set up my account? Like, where do I go if I'm looking to get ungated, you know, with Disney? Like, could you just give me a list of distributors, right? And places that I can go to get ungated? Can you just give me literally a resource that shares everything step by step by step, how to get ungated, how to go through the process? And again, I'm the first one to admit, lately Amazon's a ghost town, and it's because Amazon has made it very challenging to get ungated, and it's very confusing to figure out, where do I go, what do I do? Well, I want to let you guys know that over the last couple of months, I've been pretty much just putting all of my resources together, everything that I've learned over the years to get ungated, all the distributors that I've learned. I've reached out to friends. I've studied YouTube videos, blogs, Reddit forums, Amazon forums. I've combed through pretty much the whole entire internet, and I put together a free resource. Now, this is 100% free. There's no strings attached. There's no upsells. There's no coaching program on the back end. I literally just wanted to create something that I could give to my coaching students, to give to my followers, right? For the people who are just following me for free, for the people who are a part of my programs, Reselling Freedom, right? A lot of you guys who watch are a part of my Reselling Freedom community, which is a community that I put together over 3 years ago. And we've got about 7 or 8 coaches, including myself. We do coaching calls every single week. We've got an entire course program. It's less than $1 a day to sign up. So if folks are looking to get started and you want mentorship and hand-holding, you don't want to pay thousands of dollars, definitely check that out. But I created this resource, okay? And I'll put the link down below. It's called Ungatinghub.com, and it's a website that I put together that includes over 11 guides for getting started, getting ungated. It walks you through everything. What if you get denied? What if you get rejected? How to set up wholesale accounts, all the distributors that you can go to, right? There's even a database that I built where you can put in a brand, and it'll show you all the different distributors that you can consider to get ungated. Now, I want to be 100% upfront and real with everybody. Amazon, it's a crap show sometimes over there. I don't know what to say, crap shooter, crap show, whatever, right? I'm at a loss for words. Like, it's sometimes, like, for example, say you have 3 people, and let's just say all 3 people go to the same supplier. Maybe it's Walgreens, right? Which retail suppliers are a little tougher, but I'll just say Walgreens, for example, and they buy 10 or 50 or 100 units, right? Whatever Amazon's saying to get ungated. And maybe 1 out of 3 people will only get accepted, right? Maybe the first person gets accepted after the first try. The second person tries 10 times and they just keep declining it, right? And then on the 11th try, they get accepted. And then the third person might have to try 38 times, right? For anyone who's been selling on Amazon and trying to get ungated, it's really random, and you do have to be very, very persistent, okay? It's not like I can't just say, like, okay, this supplier is 100% guaranteed to work. What I can say is, if you use the resource that I have, and literally all you have to do is just go to the website, right? I think you got to put in your name and email and you'll be good to go. No strings attached, no charges, nothing, right? But once you go to that website, you could put in a brand, or you can search for categories, and you can find distributors, right? The key, what I want to say is, okay, you've got to be very persistent, right? And there's some examples of invoices and how to submit it and everything on the site. Again, there's over 11 guides in there. I'm continually updating it, the database, so on and so forth. But you have to be persistent, right? I have friends of mine who, for example, I have a friend that I just talked to yesterday who just got ungated in Universal, right? And I'm curious if anybody's interested in getting in Universal, comment Universal down below. But a lot of people got gated in Universal DVDs, right? And my friend, he went to a certain supplier, and he had to, this supplier did have $1,000 minimum, and he had to go back and forth setting up like his account like 38 times, he told me. This had nothing to even do with like submitting the invoice, but he had to go back and forth. And then when he submitted it to Amazon, he had to do it multiple times as well. So like sometimes there's barriers, right? But here's the thing, guys. If you want to make a crap ton of money in any business, you want to do the things that are really, really hard, because guess what? The easier it is to make money with something, the faster that opportunity goes away. And the cool thing is, like, at least right now, it's really hard and challenging to get ungated sometimes. It's not necessarily hard in terms of like, you got to be a rocket scientist, but it's hard in terms of like, sometimes you got to, find the right distributor, right? Which my free resource will help you with. Sometimes you have to resubmit 10 times, right? Or 38 times. Sometimes you've got to fight to get your wholesale account set up, or sometimes retail receipts are known to work. Other times it won't work and you have to continue to close the case. Again, this site that I created over at Ungated Hub, I'll put the link down below, will help you with this. Is it a 100% perfect site? No. Is it, in my opinion, the best free resource out there? Yes. I've compiled everything. I put it into one place. And if you're sitting here thinking to yourself like, man, like I wish I could get ungated in DVDs, or I wish I could get ungated maybe in some book publishers, or Universal as an example, or Marvel, or Star Wars. And again, some brands will be hard gated. It really depends. This resource is fantastic, guys. I want to put it together for you. Again, this is my way of being able to not only help out my coaching students, but also to help everybody else out in the community, because I'm telling you guys from the bottom of my heart right now, Amazon is more lucrative, more profitable. It's a better opportunity than ever for the person who's willing to put in the hard work and fight for the first 6 to 12 months. Because after you get through that, there's hardly any competition now on the listings that I'm selling on, right? And everybody who's watching this, like, especially for folks who have been selling for a couple of years, there's brands that you can sell that people just will not get ungated with. They're not going to put in the time to go to Ungated Hub. They're not going to put in the time to have to spend $300, $400, $500, $1,000 to get ungated for a specific brand, right? They're just kind of dabbling, right? There's brands that you can sell that are so mega profitable. You have a huge advantage in your Amazon business. And for anybody who starts getting ungated now, I'm telling you, and here's the thing about getting ungated. A lot of these brands over time, not a lot of them, but some of the brands over time, as you sell more, and if you're a new seller, the more volume that you sell, they're going to start to auto ungate you. They're going to start to open up the catalog for you, because they don't trust new sellers, because there's so many fakers and bootleggers. Kind of like on YouTube, there's a lot of gurus who are just trying to sell you programs they don't even sell, right? I've done over $1 million in the last year. I've been flipping from eBay to Amazon for over 5 years. I've sold almost $50,000, almost $5 million just in 5 years, a little more than that. I'm doing it. I'm living it. I'm in the trenches. But just like, Amazon has to deal with this, all these fake sellers who don't take it serious. On YouTube, I have to deal with all these fake gurus. And then everyone's like, oh my God, I love watching this person doesn't even sell. They're just trying to sell you a $5,000 coaching program. But again, I digress. Guys, check out the resource. I think it's very, very helpful. I would love your feedback. I'm just trying to help out, guys. Again, like I say all the time in these videos, I know I don't get a lot of views. When you're really growing and pushing, and you're fighting through the weeds, and you're not just selling people a drink, you're not going to get a ton of views, right? But I pride myself in being able to help a couple hundred people. I've got a lot of students that are having a ton of success, and I might, not be getting a ton of views, but I really, from the bottom of my heart, love helping people and making a difference. And that's why I spent a lot of time and quite a bit of money building this resource for you guys. So check it out, enjoy it, bookmark it, give it to your team. If you have any feedback, let me know. If you love it, if you hate it, let me know. I'm going to continue to improve it. But just want to say I appreciate you all. Much love. Check it out. See you guys in the next video, and have a fantastic week.